Time for an outer bag particle test with this Hoover commercial upright. Of course, it doesn't have an inner bag. It's just a bagless type of system. And what you need to take particular note of is there's a sticker on the very bottom of the machine near the bellows that says, "This cleaner meets OSHA requirements 29 CFR 1910 subpart S." So I wonder, will this bag material filter fairly well? Like maybe it has at least a single ply bag in it? Let's find out. Well, look at that. So this machine doesn't have anywhere near the same CFM as a Sanitaire, but of course it's a 5 amp motor versus a 7 amp motor. But this bag material filters to a much higher level than the Sanitaire bag material or a dual Sanitronic 80. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.